We are almost at take profit on our SUI trade. This is the SUI price prediction. I'll tell you the levels I would be interested in adding to my trade and everything around that. So make sure you stay tuned in. Obviously, this video is no financial advice. I'm just a random dude on the internet, but this is my SUI price prediction. This is exactly how I'm planning to play this out. So first of all, the resistance level is at 273.5. We have 300 mil buys, 333 sales, and above that we have a lot of sales. And this is below the value area high for the daily chart, a little bit above the point of control, so a little bit of lag can get us to it. Obviously, safer trade would be this 36846, but 7-1 would be good. That's an extra percent or half percent that we can squeeze from this trade. So there's two scenarios. First scenario, obvious scenario, we just take profit here, and the second scenario is we buy from here, or we just short the top right here and go for a short to this level where we'll be adding to our buys and taking profit on the shorts. This is exactly how I'm planning to play SUI. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below, and comment down below which country are you watching this video from. I've got links in the description down below to my signals chat if you're wondering how I'm up to 180 grand on meme coins, and to my course which I've priced pretty cheap. See you next video. Bye.